Hello friends, today we are going first to Grindelwald and then to Jungfrau. I traveled from Interlaken to Grindelwald by car. The distance between these two places is just 20 kilometers and it took about 30 minutes to reach Grindelwald. Grindelwald is a beautiful alpine village in the center of Switzerland. It is known for its stunning mountain scenery, world-class skiing and adventure sports. It is one of the most popular travel destinations in Switzerland. It has a mix of natural beauty, rich history and Swiss alpine charm, attracting tourists, mountaineers and nature lovers alike. It is located at an altitude of 1034 meters, that is 3392 feet, and is surrounded by some of Switzerland's most famous peaks, including the Eiger, Wetterhorn and the Mont. At the Grindelwald terminal, we bought tickets to go to the Eiger Express cable car to go to the Eiger Glacier station. After buying the ticket, we walked towards the cable car platform. At the platform, there were many tourists who were going for skiing at the Eiger Glacier. After waiting for a few minutes, I boarded the cable car, also known as gondola. Each gondola has a capacity to carry about 20 persons. After one gondola left the platform, another gondola would come in less than a minute. This was a very efficient way of managing tourist traffic there. My journey from Grindelwald was to Jungfrau. Jungfrau is famous for being the highest railway in Europe at an elevation of 3,454 meters, that is 11,332 feet from sea level. At the Jungfrau, the top of Europe, you will experience a fascinating alpine world. You can enjoy the view of the lush glacier and the surrounding mountains, explore the ice palace with its impressive ice sculptures, or visit the Sphinx viewing platform from a spectacular panorama. Depending on the season, you can try out activities such as snow tubing in the Snow Fun Park. To round it off, you can visit the Alpine Sensation Adventure Museum. We got a wonderful view from the gondola. We could see the snow-covered ground. We could see many gondolas going in both directions. The gondola's travel time is about 15 minutes. My goodness, the view of the Alps from the gondola is amazing and breathtaking. The cable car was moving very slowly. Some of the passengers in the cable car were taking their time for a little face makeover, but most of the tourists were taking photos and videos. The ride in gondola takes about 15 minutes and reduces the travel time by 45 minutes compared to other modes of transport. While going to Eiger Glacier, I could see many gondolas going down to Grindelwald in the opposite direction. This was a fascinating sight. We saw the snow-capped Alps from very close up, and it was exciting to watch the beauty of nature. It was an absolutely stunning view from here. Traveling to Jungfrau is possible all year round. With its numerous attractions such as the Ice Palace, the Sphinx viewing platform, and the impressive glacier landscapes, it offers you an unforgettable experience regardless of the weather. In the summer months, you can also enjoy traditional activities such as the snow fun park or hikes. The sky was so bright and sunny, and the snow was absolutely gorgeous. This is a panoramic view which can captivate your mind and take your breath away. This is a spectacular view which is incredible. You have to see it to believe it. The cable car stopped at the Eiger Glacier train station. This place was absolutely stunning. It was a bright day, it was not very cold, and there were many tourists there. They were excited to do skiing there. And we spent a lot of memorable time at this place. I'm standing in front of Mount Alps. We just got down from the cable car and we are waiting for the train which will take us to Jungfrau, the top of the Europe. It is the tallest mountain in Europe. This is an amazing, gorgeous view. From Eiger Glacier Station, I went to Jungfrau Cogwheel Railway Station. By the time I reached there, the train had already come and I continued the journey. I hope you like this video. If so, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by Sathyan Achath. Thank you. In the next episode, we are going to Jungfrau. It is the highest railway station in the world at an elevation of 3,454 meters, that is 11,332 feet above the sea level. It is a glacier saddle on the upper snows of Lush Glacier. Lush Glacier is the largest glacier in the Alps and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There is also an ice palace, which is a stunning cave carved inside the glacier.